In this video, you will learn how to do a comp search on Paragon. This is awesome if you're trying to do comparables for your client who is thinking about listing their home, or if you're a buyer's agent and your client is curious about the market with their criteria. After logging onto Paragon using your 9-digit ID, you will need to select Search on the upper left-hand corner, and we will be searching for properties similar to our subject property. My subject property is a single-family home in Pleasanton that is 1,600 square feet on Meadowbrook Court. I want to search for a property that is similar to the seller's property, which is a residential property, so I will then click on Residential. We are now going to add our criteria. So under status, we are going to look for all active, all sold, and all pending. Again, we are looking for comparables for our property. So that is why I'm adding all active, all sold, and all pending. My subject property is located in Pleasanton. Subject property that I have right now is a single family detached home, so I'm going to enter detached. And the square footage is 1,600 square foot for the subject property. I'm going to go a little less for 1,400 and a little more for 1,800. Paragon carries information for the last 15 years. I do not want that much information. As you see, there's 4,833 properties that fit my criteria. That is a lot. Paragon carries 15 years of information. So I'm going down to closing date, which is on your lower left-hand corner. And I'm going to choose a specific date for how much data I would like. I can either type in a certain date and end with a certain date, or go under date range and choose information based off of these. For this example, I'm going to use 6 months back. And now we have 97 properties. I want to look for comparables within the same neighborhood of my subject property. So I'm going to go to the upper left-hand corner, click Map Search, and in this white box that says Center Map on this address, I am going to enter my subject property's address. And then I'm going to click this magnifying glass, and you will see the pin to where the address is. I'm going to zoom in a little closer so I can see the pin more. Now I want to see comparables within 1 mile from this subject property. So right where it says miles, I'm going to type in 1.0 miles from my subject property and select Draw. There are 12 listings that are similar to my subject property within 1 mile from my subject property. And it says 12 listings right here. Now I can click Search. There are 2 ways where I can search and see these properties. I can click Search here, or I can click Search here. I'm going to click Run Search here, and you will see all 12 properties that are similar to my subject property within 1 mile. To compose the CMA report, I'm going to go to the green button that says Reports, scroll down, and underneath CMA, I'm going to select CMA Summary. And now I have my CMA Summary Report. My CMA Summary Report automatically organizes my listings by active listings, pending listings, and sold listings. It will also count how many properties are within the sold, pending, and active, where there are 9 sold properties, where there are 1 pending properties, and when there are 2 active properties. On your CMA Summary Report, you will also receive information on high listing price, below listing price, average, and median. And this is how you do a comp search on Paragon.